Good morning, everybody! This is one of the places that you see when you type in tropical island, whatever, on Google, and you go to images. This is that place.
Yep.
Not have asked for a more perfect day. Wish you were here. Raining. I need to put them in the black bag then.
Raining.
4:30 a.m. Getting ready to go on our ferry over to Coron. We're told to be there at 5. It's 4:30.
Ferry canceled.
156 people, and we all just got turned around.
Yep.
To go back to where we came from, or to go find somewhere else to go. So
We're going to find a place to stay before all those other people do.
we're gonna go back where we came from.
See if they have an opening. Ferry day round 2. Round 2. But we have really high hopes for this ferry. Really, really high hopes.
All the typhoons and the cyclones and hurricanes and
Rain.
everything else, we have high hopes.
Let's see how this goes. Round 2, people.
We can't even see outside. We just checked into our prison cell.
Like self-check-in rehab.
A self-check-in to the prison cell?
No one brought us here. It was by our own decision. We're only here because we were supposed to be in Coron, but we're not in Coron. So... Ew, it's wet under there.
It's not even paint, it's just like, it's primer.
I'm not even, it's just like the price. We're paying the same price. Same. How does that make sense? This is our second room. First one had mold growing all over the ceiling. So this place is called Cliff Tower Apartment. Do not stay here. The place we loved and became practically family with
I think we
was
were family.
Rahe Residence.
Stay there.
And this
Very
is
good
El
place.
Nido, Palawan. Over and out.
It never stops.
So it happens. One more thing.
Yep, the last straw.
Oh yeah. This is awesome. The mattress, which is just a little foam thing,
yeah.
is soaking wet.
This is just wet.
It's just
Even
it's
the
just
wood
wet.
is like wet.
So we're out of here. We're back.
Got our aircon compared to no lie. It's still okay. It's still okay.
I have no idea what time it is right now. It's 4 in the morning. And Tyler's downstairs getting the manager because I woke up from this. Ew, I just put the towel down to keep it from splattering so much and it's brown. This dripped on me. I'm telling you, I woke up because it was dripping all over my arms.
Guess it's fixed. We don't know. Now every time I hear like a drip, I'm like looking at the ceiling. Let's go to bed. Night night.
So a little disclaimer, we understand we haven't filmed the past couple days because there's been a typhoon. It's been pouring rain. But
Weather has sucked.
Haven't done anything. So today we're renting a motorbike and we're going to show you a little bit of El Nido.
We're gonna take you around town. Alright, after we got our hair done, first stop, Las Cabañas Beach.
Beyond the sea, somewhere way home. I'll never spend time holding sails and watching the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea.
No! Alright, so we got a little diverted in our plan for today. Alright, and now we're hiding under a big table from the rain.
From the rain.
We always seem to have a friend with us as well. This is our last day in El Nido. Catching the 9 o'clock bus back to Puerto Princesa. It's 6 hours. We're gonna sleep on the bus, get to the airport as soon as we can.
5 a.m.
And then,
Our flight's at 7 a.m.
yeah, we're just gonna hang out.
It's raining.
This is the first day it's rained in the Philippines since we've been here.
This is the first day it's rained in the Philippines since we've been here.
Can't even say it with a straight face. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Next time you see us, we'll be in Bali.